On today's body cam, we're checking out police drag woman off roof of car after she started twerking.
A disturbance call brought officers to a busy road, but nothing prepared them for the bizarre scene waiting ahead.
Oh boy.
Everybody back up if you don't want to get sprayed. Back up if you don't want to get sprayed.
Damn.
Get out the road. Get out the road. Get out the road. Back up or get sprayed. Back up.
Everybody out. Wow. Wow. Hold on. She up on top of the truck. She on top of the truck throwing it back. Oh, who's that? That's a snow bunny? Who that? They got the snow bunny on the top of the truck throwing it back. This is insane.
Back up or get sprayed. Get off the truck.
Wow. Who this?
Get off the truck. Get off the truck.
Okay, let me go.
Hey, let her go. Get off the truck.
Ooh.
Police.
Okay, let me go. We want to.
Get out.
Oh, that's her. That's her right there. That's the one that was on the roof. Was she Spanish? Who this?
Get off the truck. The police.
Okay, let me go. We want to.
Was she light skinned?
Get out.
Damn. Oh, they threw her right off the side. Oh, threw her on the ground. Oh,
Get on your stomach. Put your hands on your back.
God damn.
Get out.
Threw her off the side. Oh, threw her on the ground. Hold up. Oh,
Get on your stomach. Put your hands on your back. Put your hands
yo.
behind your back.
This is insane. Wow.
Let me go. What the? Can you stop holding me? I gotta leave. Can you stop holding me, please? Can you stop holding me?
The van's here. The van's here. The van's here.
Uh-oh. Oh, wait. Hold on. Wait.
The van's here. The van's here. The van's here.
Something happened at the van, man. Threw her against the van.
I
told you to get off the truck.
You want to play stupid games? This is what happens. One-way trip to the Orange County Jail.
Get in.
Oh, hold on. This is who was up there twerking? Wow. That's who was up there on the roof of the truck like that?
Get in. What? No, they're both twerking on the truck. They on the same, yeah. Good, you want to join your friend? That's my cousin, but I'll go. Sure.
Damn, where's your pants? Shorts? Something?
Stop blocking the sidewalk! Let's go! Time to go home!
Yeah, who next?
Ain't no police! Do
Who
not block
next?
the sidewalk! Time to go home! I used to ride with you. You didn't wear see for a while. No, I was in there. I was there. Yo, respect for what you do, man.
You know what I'm saying? But, hey, get out of here, man. You're going to get bad.
I know. I love you.
He knows it. Okay, soonest chance you get, you need to move. You're gonna go to jail. You understand? Go. You don't tell me you know what's going on in the back of the truck, though. Why didn't you just get off the truck when the officer told you to?
I didn't even know.
You were surrounded by cops.
No, I seen the cop in the back of us, but the rest of y'all I did not see. I didn't hear you until you grabbed me off the truck.
Yeah,
What's your first name?
I didn't see y'all until y'all came.
That's a lie, 'cause we were surrounded.
Oh, she is a snow bunny.
Savannah. Yeah.
Birthday.
Hands up.
Birthday. What's wrong? Okay.
Go ahead, take a seat.
Both women were charged with disorderly conduct.
Yeah, that's wild, man. This was a very, very short video. But that's just that's wild, man. It's wild. You got everybody out there drinking, partying, having a good time. And you know, sometimes it could get a little crazy, right? You know, and people twerking and jumping on cars, and it happens, you know, it does happen. But when the officers tell you, you know, you got to get down, you got to get down. Like, that's get down. You know what I mean? Like, you're not supposed to be up there anyway. It's not your truck, right? And then you could have put a dent in the roof. I ain't gonna lie. To be honest with you, like, the one, the snow bunny one, it's not like the other. The black chick, she's a skinny little mini thing. You know what I'm saying? Little tiny thing. The other one, and you all the way on the roof of the truck, not on the bed. You know, the black chick was on the bed. You know, that could sustain a little bit, but you got that, what's that, with truck aluminum and all that chick could like, that's a lot of, that's a lot of weight, boy. I ain't gonna lie, that's a lot of weight. Like, yo, if I had a truck and somebody was doing, I would be pissed. You order roof like that? Nah, this was insane, man. This was insane. Hold on, man. I'm telling you, when I seen this, when I finally got the full picture, I'm like, wait, hold on. This is who was up there?
Oh, they're both twerking on the truck.
I had to get the full picture, like, come on, man. You on the top. You, if anything, the roles is supposed to be reversed. The little one can go maybe on the roof, you know what I mean? And maybe, you know, you should definitely not be all the way up there, man. I'll tell you, this shit was insane.
Hit the subscribe, let the 808